Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the always-on display functionality in the Realme X7 Pro device after updating to the Realme UI 2.0. So recently, friends, I did receive the early access update to the Realme UI 2.0. So right now, I'll try to go through all the features which got added with the always-on display functionality in this Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see, friends. So right now, I'm using the Realme X7 Pro device, and as I said, recently I did receive the Realme UI 2.0 update, and from then there are so much of customization is there and so many features got added and a lot of changes has been happened. So meanwhile, friends, I'll try to use this phone for the next 2 days. As I said, I'll be trying to do the battery test as well, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting videos on the Realme X7 Pro and for more details on the Realme UI 2.0. so make sure to check the links in description for the playlist of that. So if there is no links in the description, make sure to check the playlist which I have created personally. You can go through my channel and you can check the playlist. So let's get started, friends, with the always on display functionalities. Before that, let me try to disable the dark mode. So you can find the always on display functionality here, as you can see, and you need to go to the here, and once you enable that option, you do get so much of customization right now, friends. So it's a kind of close to Xiaomi's MI's always on display functionality Redmi phones. So you will be seeing the same kind of interface as well, all these kind of options. So in the another video, I'll try to compare both always on display side by side, so you might be able to notice the difference. So but right now you do have so much of customization is going on, so text and image and analog clock. So let's start from the beginning. You do have the different kind of patterns you can select from, as you can see. So these are the different custom patterns. This is another new update, friends, which we got here. So you can create your own custom patterns for your always on display, as you can see here. So this is a custom pattern and you can create your own color what you want to set as well, as you can see, paintbrush, something like that. So you can do your own custom pattern like this. I'll try to cover more topic on this custom pattern, what's it is about, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos. And next is a text only. So you can display the text in 3 different manners. As you can see, there are 3 different types of text you can display. So right now I did enable one of the text on the, as you can see, friends, these are the text will appear. So this is a good additional features you are getting here, and you can change even the colors. And next is a text and image, so where you can customize your own image from the gallery. So you can open the gallery and you can customize from here. So that's another good advantage as well you got here. And let me try to select one of the image from the gallery. So let me try to select one of the gallery image. So let's see what will happen. So this is a gallery image, and I think you will be able to zoom it in. So yes, you can zoom in inside and you can write your text as well, and you can see the text is appearing on the image as well, as you can clearly see here. And you can change the color of the text on the image, how it appears, as you can see. Text location also you can change up or down or mid in the middle. So text size you can change how much you want, and text weight as well. So there's so much of customization is going on, friends. That's a really good advantage in this new update which is present in this phone. So definitely I'll be doing more in-depth covering on this particular topic mainly, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So these are other analog clocks as well. You do have so much of different clocks going on here, as you can see. So which is another neat feature you got. And not only that, you do have the previously added normal clocks, as you can see, digital clocks, so which are previously already present. So these are the ones which are already present in this Realme UI 1.0. So the only new additions are a couple of patterns and text only and text and image. So these are the new things. Definitely, friends, you can keep on trying. So I'll try to do the separate video on this particular feature which is called a custom pattern. I'll try to cover a video on that topic. So make sure to check the links in description, friends, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.